Hi everyone, I'm Alya Rani Pinasti from R4C. This video is to complete my computer-assisted language learning assignment, and this is how to create Quizizz Education Game. Let's get started. First, open your Play Store and then search for Quizizz apps. And then you can tap the install button to download your Quizizz app and wait until it's installed to your phone. After the app is installed, open the Quizizz app. For the first show, you can choose which section you will use. Here I choose for school, and then you can create your account. Besides create an account, you can choose your Google account or create new account with drop your email. And then you can choose your section again, which your favorite use for this quiz. For example, for personal use. And then you can fill your account details, your name, and then your password. After your account is done, your name will appear here. When you scroll down, there's so many examples for quizzes you can make. This is your profile account. To create your own quiz, you can tap on Activity tab and then tap the Create Quiz. Here you can make your own quiz name. And then your relevant subject. There are 6 kind of quiz you can make. For example, I will try to create the checkbox. You can drop your question. For example, she, her dog every day. And next, you can write down your option. You can choose 2 or more options. After you fill it enough with the option, you can check the right option. So it can automatically record the right answer and then save. For add another question, you can tap the new question button. And then choose another checkbox. Write down your question. Fill the answer option. And then check your right answer and save your question. All your questions will be shown here. To publish your quiz, you can tap publish, and then you can choose your image quiz, and then your language, and then your select grades, and then the visible quiz for public or only for you. After it's published, your quiz will be shown here. You can check your question. To share your quiz, tap the 3 dots button on the right side and choose which app you want to share. For example, you can choose your WhatsApp. And that's all. You can make your own quiz. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Alya Rani Pinasti. See you in other topics. Bye.